Students, we are discussing the topic types of advertising, and in the first part of the lecture we have already seen four types of advertising. In this part I shall start with trade advertising, that is the fifth type that we will be discussing. Trade advertising is actually the advertising or advertisements that generally we come across in our day-to-day life. These are the advertisements in which the products and services are advertised, and there is persuasion also, in which the advertisers, they ask us to take purchase decision in favor of the product or the service that is advertised. And then we have primary demand advertising in number 6. Primary demand advertising is basically an advertising in which the primary demand of a particular product is created through that particular advertisement. The basic idea is to create the primary demand. For example, suppose it is a smartphone, but there is no specific brand. In primary demand advertising, the demand of smartphone is generated, so it is a primary demand generating advertising. Then in number 7 we have selective demand advertising. So selective demand advertising is an advertising where the demand of a particular brand of the product is generated. For example, if the primary demand advertising generates the demand of smartphone, the selective demand advertising will generate the demand of a particular brand of smartphone. So that is how selective demand advertising generates selective demand. And then we have institutional advertising. The institutional advertising is a type of advertising where the organization or the company's image building takes place. It is a kind of image advertising only. So in institutional advertising only, also the social upliftment activities of the organization or the company is undertaken, is shown, and thereby showing the good and social contribution of the company or the organization. The image building takes place, and that is the advertising of an institution or an organization, and that is why it is known as institutional advertising. Industrial or B2B advertising is business to business advertising. These advertisements are basically the advertisements of industrial products, and the target audience are the industries which purchase these products as raw materials or business inputs. And therefore industrial advertising or business to business advertising is the advertisements of industrial products, industrial inputs. And then in number 10 we have professional advertising. Professional advertising is a type of advertising in which the target group of audience are the professionals, for example doctors, architects, etc., where through these particular advertisements the professionals are influenced, professionals are persuaded to recommend a particular brand of product or the service, and thereby the demand of that particular or the sale of that particular product or service is generated. Thank you.